Okay, Sockie, what day is today?
Saturday!
And what do we like to do on Saturday?
We like to learn to draw pictures.
Well, that's cool. And what are we drawing today?
Sea turtles.
That sounds pretty exciting. Do you want to learn a fun fact before we get started?
Yeah.
Sometimes it looks like sea turtles are crying, but they're not. It's the glands in their eyes, and it's doing their job, and it's getting out the excess salt out of their eyes.
What? I didn't even know they cried.
Well, it's not really crying. They're just like pretend crying.
Oh, okay.
So it's just getting the stuff out.
That's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. All right, so we're going to get started today?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me get your Sharpie for you.
That's so good.
Yep. All right. It's been sanitized.
Thank you.
Yep. All right. So what we're going to start with is we're going to start with a big circle, leaving it more at the top. This is the mommy and this is the baby. So watch what I'm doing. So you're going to start with, if you want to find something like a cup or something to try to make a good sized circle, you can do your best. And you're going to do 2 of these, okay? So we're going to do 1 circle, and then on the inside, you can do another circle, okay?
Okay.
All right. So do your 1 circle. Ooh, pretty good circle there, buddy. Impressive. All right, so next, what we're going to do is we're going to do the little baby turtle, or actually, let's just finish the whole adult first. So now what we're going to do is we are going to do its fins. And on sea turtles, not regular turtles, they all have about the same size. But sea turtles, they've got these big, giant fins. To help them swim in the water. And then on the back, they've got these little baby ones. And then they've got cute little tails.
Okay.
So you want to try that? Yeah, you do a good job. I'm proud of you. All right. Also, I've got another fun fact. Once the male little sea turtles have hatched, they go into the sea and they never return to land. Never. Nope, never. They stay out in the water. Of course, the females come back because that's where they lay their eggs, but not the guys.
Wow.
Yeah, that's something I learned. Okay, so we're going to do its head on it. So we're going to do, so come watch me. We're going like this. It's almost like you're going to be doing a circle and then come back. And then inside, you can do 2 little circles for the eyes, okay? Oh, that looks good. Thank you. Good job. Okay, so inside here, I want you to put a soft square. So it's a regular square, but we're just kind of rounding the edges. And we're going to do the sides, and then we're going to do another square. We're following the kind of like the pathway of it, and then these are just triangles in here. Okay, you think you can do that? Yeah, good job.
Thank you.
All right, so, and we're gonna have bubbles coming up. So you guys can put as many bubbles as you want to put on there. Bubbles. Good job. Okay, their eggs amazingly look like ping pongs. I got a ping pong ball right here.
Oh, yeah, that looks like a ping pong.
No, this actually is a ping pong, but this is what little eggs, this is what their eggs look like. They look like ping pong balls.
That's pretty cool.
Yep. And you would think that, guess how many eggs they lay at the same time? About 100 up to 150 of these. Yeah, that's a lot of eggs.
What? 150 eggs?
Mm-hmm. So they look like these, 150 of them, and they lay them every 2 to 3 years.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of eggs.
But unfortunately, most of them do not get to adulthood because of dangers and the predators.
Oh, that's so sad.
Yeah, but that's just a circle of life. Okay, here we go. Let's do the little baby. So come watch. We're going to do a big circle. Inside, do a littler circle. And then inside that, this is going to be a fun little design. We'll start with one. It's almost like we're going doop, boop, boop, boop. And you guys can hop around and go anywhere you want. So I'm just going to keep going till I get down to the center. See how little it is in there? That looks cool, huh? Can you try that? Great job. All right, do the center part. That looks good.
Thank you.
Okay, so next we're gonna do up is we're gonna do its fins too. Remember, they're really big in the front. And then they're smaller in the back. Okay, let's have you do that. Great job. Okay, so do you know how long they stay in their eggs? You know, they got 150 of them. They stay in those eggs a couple of months, and then they emerge into turtles, and then they crawl down. Once they become little turtles, they crawl down into the sea. It's like a big, like, awesome parade of turtles. Yeah. Of course, some of them don't make it.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah. And leatherback sea turtles are the heaviest turtles. Do you want to know how much they weigh?
Maybe like 20 pounds.
No, 2,000 pounds.
Whoa, that's really heavy.
It's very heavy. All right, so let's put a face on this guy, okay? Don't you have some jokes for me today?
Oh, yeah, I have jokes.
All right, so do you want to say the jokes?
Yeah. What happens when you bring a turtle to a party? It becomes a celebration.
I get it. Celebration.
Yeah, it's a good one. Okay, I got one more.
All right, what is it?
What did the cow say to the turtle?
I have no idea. What did the cow say to the turtle?
Get a move on.
Oh, that kind of sounds like a cow joke.
I know, but it was really funny. He's trying to get the turtle to move. Move.
Yeah, you're pretty funny. Okay, let's have you do a head there, okay? Oh, you know what you forgot? Bubbles. We're going to put some more bubbles down here. And if you want to put some bubbles elsewhere, you can.
Bubbles. Good job.
You did a very good job. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. I like it. It's really good.
All right, well, hopefully everybody home can draw their turtles. Now go and you guys can do a Sharpie around it and color it in the colors you'd like.
Bye, guys. Bye.